Now let's shift our focus. Even as AQI remains in the poor category in the national capital, Delhi minister says we can expect a better AQI level from tomorrow onwards. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, a tall claim there that we can expect better AQI by tomorrow. On what basis this claim has been made, we're not very sure, but let's just listen into this first.
आज सभी एमसीडी के डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स डीपीसीसी के साथ जो अनऑथराइज्ड इंडस्ट्री है उसका भी सीलिंग का प्रोसेस एमसीडी की तरफ से शुरू किया गया है। 3 तरह की दिल्ली में इंडस्ट्री है, एक ऑथराइज्ड इंडस्ट्री है, एक रेगुलाइज्ड इंडस्ट्री है और तीसरी इलीगल है। जो ये इलीगल इंडस्ट्री है इसको 100% किसी भी कैटेगरी में हो, पोल्यूटिंग हो या नॉन पोल्यूटिंग हो, ये माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आदेश है कि इनको तुरंत बंद किया जाए। इसलिए एमसीडी इनके ऊपर भी कार्रवाई कर रही है। पोल्यूटिंग इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर सख्त तौर के ऊपर आज से एक्सटेंसिव, जैसे मैंने बताया, ड्राइव के चलते इन सबको बंद किया जाएगा। कल के बाद कुछ मौसम के बेहतर होने की आशंका है, जो जानकारी मौसम विभाग से आ रही है। कल के बाद कुछ बेहतरी की उम्मीद है, उससे AQI और ठीक होगा। दिल्ली के अंदर निरंतर रात को सड़कों की सफाई धुलाई का काम चल रहा है। दिल्ली में जो हमारा डंप्स है उनमें से औसतन रोज 35,000 मैट्रिक टन कूड़ा आज हम बायोमाइनिंग करके हटा रहे हैं, जिस कूड़े को हटने से दिल्ली का पोल्यूशन कम हो रहा है। और दिल्ली के अंदर पिछली जो ड्राइव चलाई गई थी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी की तरफ से कि दिल्ली को मलबा मुक्त भी किया जाए। मिट्टी एक बहुत बड़ा कारण है, डस्ट जो कारण है।
All right, for more on this, we have Simran Babbar live with us. Simran, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, there the minister saying that we are expecting better AQI tomorrow onwards, and that's apparently we're relying on the rain here to do that for us. What can you tell us, Simran?
Well, this is an elaborative statement coming at this point of time by Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa, as in the recent comments has given out some relief for the Delhiites as everyone who's out there on the streets continue to choke. While we speak of the deteriorating state of the AQI in the national capital and the NCR regions ever since there was an onset of the winters, right now in the statements as confirmed by the Environment Minister, what we can expect is likely a relief from the soaring AQI levels, as there have been the GRAP 4 norms that have been put in effect in the national capital to have a larger implications on the rising pollution levels in the national capital. But so far that has not been able to fetch the AQI data down, as over the last few weeks the AQI levels in the national capital have continued to be in either the very poor, severe or hazardous category. Even this morning as well, if we also speak about the data as per the CPCB website, as 7 a.m. as per 7 a.m. 336 was the number that was clocked this morning early as an average data of the national capital. But we speak of the Environment Minister, who has also given out a big information, as the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is going to conduct a special meeting of the cabinet and with the senior officials in the Delhi government on the pollution. And after that, there is also going to be likely a rather stricter enforcement of the rules and the implementation of the guidelines on the pollution, as the Delhi Environment Minister has categorically said that action has been kicked in. But there are several other pollution hub factories and these industries in far off areas of the national capital who are not adhering to the norms and the guidelines which are in a part of the GRAP 4. So that is why it is important that it is also a warning that now no other actions will be taken except sealing them. This is a very stringent measure that Delhi government has finally decided to take in regards with the situation that continues to be very concerning for the people of Delhi. We continue to breathe this hazy smoke and it potentially is risking our lives to threat. Back to you.
All right. Well, Simran, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on that. We'll, of course, continue to keep a track on that as well. Let's